Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding and Keto. My name is Steve, and this is day 2 of my 60-day documentary coding challenge. So today, for day 2, we're going to be going over the rest of HTML, which I believe was lists and tables, and going all the way through until the end of CSS. So if you look at the actual class page here, it's a lot. So we started off here, ending day 1, and then for day 2 we're going to do from forms and input all the way down into section 3, CSS basics, and then go all the way down to until you hit section 4, which will be the first project, which is a hotel website. So we're going to be kicking it into gear a little bit, I guess. So, and this video is going to be a little bit short because some of the videos that I made for this video were like corrupted or weren't working anymore. So anyway, this is going to be a short video. So before I leave you today, I know, like I said, this is a short video. Sorry about that, but data corruption. So before I leave you, something I did want to make sure I covered on is whenever you're placing your tags, make sure that they're going in the proper areas. Had so many times where like my website would come out looking different than what it did on the instructor's course. So, and it's always been just moving a tag somewhere. It's always been moving a tag somewhere. Like I'll forget a div somewhere and like it'll still be up here or something because I didn't pull it down after I typed in the tag. So just be wary of that. Be careful of that. So day 2, once you're done with day 2 and getting all the way through CSS, then for tomorrow, for day 3, we'll start actually working on the hotel website, which will be a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys are keeping up with me. Like I said, I know that it does take time and like dedication, carving out time to actually sit down and do this stuff. But from everyone that I've heard, like online and stuff, they're like, oh, okay, well, if you're willing to do this, make sure you can dedicate 3 hours at least a day to learning code. And so this day 2 is a little bit longer than 3 hours. I think the CSS section, is 2 hours and 33 minutes. So if you did these HTML stuff too, it's probably going to put you around 3 hours. So anyway, that's it. So get through CSS and we'll start on the hotel website tomorrow. Have fun, everyone. Thank you once again for watching. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This has been day 2 with Coding and Keto. Again, my name is Steve. If you enjoy what I'm doing here, please feel free to like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'd be glad to answer them if I can, or help you in finding the right direction to find the answer that you need. So anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. You all are amazing, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.